Frais and Javidan are face 15 years apiece. You think 450 I get to?
But let's just do this. Never been to jail thing.
But first, make we break it down. Because me thought this already, and me think because me that smaller platform, Chat Free TV is a smaller platform, me think people nah tune in to Chat Free TV. Me think people nah listen to Chat Free TV. Because I've been saying these things.
Behind bars.
You don't have to pay attention to the location. Them are going to make an example out of Jeffrey and Javi. This is a police location, a police headquarters where a police association is located in Jamaica. Them are going to make an example out of Jeffrey and Javi. The first part of the altercation, you can say, well, debate the self-defense. But Jeffrey's story had a leak. It had a lot of spaces where it need more investigation. Somebody I tell lie, nobody now want own the pow. Nobody now want own the weapon. The government are gonna make an example out of all of uno. The whole of uno, as long as a man don't want this thing here, the whole of uno probably go do time and serve the whole 15 or 20 years old to get. Believe. But you see the man who own this thing here, between 450 entourage, cause they must basically, if nobody not own it, they must go see a Jeffrey gun. But you see any man who own this thing here, God go with you.
Go behind bars.
They must go last you. They must go make an example out of you, my boy. All of them naya thing there, all of the TikToker them we hire, murder fi hire. The government will want something going to make an example on a long time. And I think this is it.
Prison thing, I don't want to look upon it as prison.
And you not go have the money for fight like a cartel fight, you know. And that's the thing you not understand. So let's see how this play out. Drop it in the comments and let me know what you think about this thing, cause you know don't cook yet. Which the police them already did anticipate that already. Nobody now go own it. Fingerprint, now go work nothing. So we have to understand this is Jamaica government, right? This is Jamaica government and it never did go slide, brother. Jamaica never go make that one slide. I want to understand the seriousness of this situation. Just forget them liar they alone to represent accused. You know it's a hefty fee and everybody I go have that vybz cartel money we are coming for years. If you can't fight a case like that, no, you really are going to see the man who is a man from boy.
When we say prison, I bet I will say
Chat Free TV. Tap in and make me know what you think about these people, cause me have to get input from Uno because me I call the shots and nobody now pay attention.
And that way I say when I make it about the prison, but the prison actually help it too because it gives it a better story.
We have to know say yo, Jamaica I saw the name stage. Now Jeffrey will understand he have to go prove to himself right now if he means that man or this is where all of them have to go prove all the things that they must say. Them have to go prove it now because them cases can drag on and last for years before any conviction. And this is one of the reasons why enough of the man them now are going to know the system, what the system really means. Because enough people are say, fuck them system like a vybz cartel system or the real system where you no fear watching. Now, Jeffrey and Javi I go really find out say yo, the money where you have a road and the freedom where you have a road next to incarceration, government, lawyers and all of them feed it, you are gonna need help. Enough man there jail right now innocent, but them now have the pocket to fight the system. And I know Jeffrey and Javi are gonna learn the hands of the law right now and learn say innocent or not. You can fight case for years before you can even get a chance to be free. And every man have vybz cartel money and influence. And him still have to do him 13 years before him can get an appeal to come out. But when the man them think about this and look upon it and see if it is worth it. If something like this is worth it. Somebody talk something about you go box him down, you know. Anything can happen. You could have pull a knife, cut out your belly, pour on a life, they're in a jeopardy now. The man them make money. Jeffrey are one of the most influential podcaster in a Jamaica right now. And whether this one end now or 10 years after, it's still going to be a loss to him. Jaii is a good producer. Jaii is valuable to not only Fame Life, but him is valuable to 450 Life also. Someone, the man them look upon a situation like this and say, yo, even when a man say something bad about you, him tell you about your mother, anything him say out of his mouth, is it worth it? Because now, me say something about you now. You are going to see me and box me down now. Me can bite out your neck, me can stab you, me can... My life I got in a problem, your life I got in a problem too. Because this is exactly what happened, you know. So man and man, you don't have to be wise. Me just hear say 450 them a drop babies and things. The whole squad, you know, a uplift and a step up. And it come to this now. Jeffrey have multiple things are going for Jeffrey right now. I've never seen Jeffrey in a career this powerful in a career, and him know that. But sometimes you have to take the man them out of one light and put them in one dark, them can see good enough. You understand what I mean? Because sometimes the bright light kind of affect your eyesight. So you need to adjust your pupil, go in some dark room, and hopefully you can adjust your sight to see light again. And that is the lesson Jeffrey and Jaii learned after this. But Chat Free TV, we're not here to stay. Bring the news as we get it. Where is Sir P now? Jamaica. Worldwide. Tag Sir P. Why we can't find Sir P? There is so many things going on right now in Jamaica. Where is Sir P? From vybz Kartel come out of prison. When vybz Kartel leave prison, you live for vybz Kartel name. Dear God, dear come. So it really does show me say you was not really for the people of Jamaica, or so you wasn't just fighting so-called criminal entity. You was a cloud chaser. Now that vybz Kartel come out and you have the whole heap of views for you get when I mention vybz Kartel name now. You come off of the seed. You're a whole heap of thing going in Jamaica where you let down the hell of them when they believe in you and say Sir P is for the people of Jamaica. Where is Sir P now? And this is what, just like the pastor and the preacher them man. Preach one thing, but them whole goal is another thing. Because you can't tell me say Sir P drop off of the face of the earth when all of these things are going where you brainwash the people them, make the people them feel like say, yo, this man genuinely a fight the criminal entity of the communities, the good communities that are plagued by criminal activity. But you're sure you was just a fraud? You was just cloud chasing off of vybz Kartel all these years because that was one of your main topic. You choose to talk about the entertainer them because you know people are going to run and them are going to easier to believe because what? Entertainer make money and a lot of people like to eat from progress, eat from people with money, bad mind. So people drop in the comment and tag Sir P there and let me know where is Sir P. We need Sir P. We need Sir P. When there? Chat Free TV, everybody has a voice. Make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Chat Free TV in the building. In a city near you soon. We still, I look forward to that. Tune into Chat Free TV. Me not come with no hearsay. Me I come with real thing when me decipher and analyze for myself. And so far, me have a 90% success rate. I've never been wrong. Chat Free TV, I carry the things straight to you directly, truthfully, and me not just pass the clickbait thing when me see most vloggers do. Me has take my time, me not have to post the same day, because when me have to say about the situation is totally different. Me no listen to nobody and talk. So when me attack say, me directly look on the evidence, look on the location, look on the circumstances. This government is looking at this situation like, imagine, it's a for instance 10 bullets in the weapon.